Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to register your out-of-state vehicle in Hawaii in one day. The first thing you are going to want to do is gather some documents from the previous state that you were living in. The things you're going to need are your current insurance and your vehicle registration. Once you have those things gathered, then you are going to want to plan out your day so you can register the vehicle in one day. The first thing you're going to want to plan is going to an insurance company and transferring your insurance from your current insurance provider to a local insurance provider. I personally was using Allstate, and all I had to do was find someone locally in Hawaii who ran an Allstate business, and they just simply transferred my Allstate insurance to Hawaii Allstate insurance. After this, then you are going to want to schedule a vehicle inspection. The vehicle inspections are everywhere. You just have to schedule an appointment or see if someone will take you as a walk-in. Luckily, I was able to find a place that took me in as a walk-in. Vehicle inspection was around $26 or so, and you'll need this to register the vehicle. After you have your vehicle inspection and your insurance, you are going to want to book an online appointment with Hawaii's Motor Vehicle Registration Division. And that's pretty simple. At first, I didn't know how to do it, but I looked online and then I finally figured it out. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it step by step. So let's go to the website and check it out. Okay, now you're gonna wanna go to Google and type in AlohaQ. And this is gonna take you to the website where you can make an appointment. You're gonna click on driver's license and satellite services. Then from here, you're gonna scroll down and select make an appointment. After it loads, you're gonna wanna click on whichever location is closest to you in the light blue area, depending on where you live. I chose the downtown Satellite City Hall, Hawaii driver's license, state ID renewal, and duplicates only. From here, you scroll down and you select motor vehicle and other services. Then it searches for the appointment times. After this, you select the date that you want to book your appointment, and then it'll show you a time that is available. For the example, I'm just choosing 8:30 in the morning. Then it will ask you to fill out your first name, last name, and your mobile number, because they will send you a confirmation via text, and the confirmation will include a QR code that you can use to show them all the information for your appointment. And then you click sign up. After you click sign up, you will see your name, the scheduled time, and the date, and the location of where you will be getting the services at. Then you'll have your ticket number, and it will say complete, and you should be receiving a text with the same information. I unfortunately booked mine too early and I was not able to make it. So the only way you can rebook an appointment is if you cancel the scheduled ticket. Then you repeat this process all over and just sign up for another appointment. The location that I wanted to go to was fully booked, so then I just simply chose another location. I believe I chose the Pearl City location. Then I looked to see what appointments they had available. Then I rescheduled. Okay, now that we know how to book our appointment, we are going to give ourselves plenty of time to get to our appointment and make sure that we have all our documents. You're going to want to get your current insurance from Hawaii, your previous registration from the state that you're coming from. Also, you're going to want to get your safety inspection that you got here in Hawaii. The last thing you're going to want to get is your shipping manifest, and they should have given you this document when you picked up your vehicle after you shipped it from the mainland. After you have those 4 documents, you pretty much just show up to the appointment and wait until they call you. Once they call you, they're going to review your documents, make sure everything looks good. And because you had a previous registration where you're coming from, you won't have to pay so much money when you register it because you're just continuing the registration. For example, my registration was going to end in February of 2022. So I went and registered it in July. They're gonna give me from July all the way to February 2022. After that, I will have to register it in Hawaii again. And at that point, they're going to charge you taxes based on what the vehicle's weight is. The license plates came out to around a little over $5. They gave me brand new license plates and I was able to put the license plates on my vehicle that day. But I didn't know this until after I got my license plates. And what I found out was I have to go back to the safety inspection station because they want to see the license plates on the vehicle. So you're gonna have to put them on the vehicle, then you're gonna have to go back to the safety inspection. Once they see that the plates are there, then they will give you your safety inspection sticker and they'll put it on the back bumper of your car. And that'll be it. You'll be done, and hopefully you're able to get this done in one day. If you plan it out right, just start early in the morning when your insurance company first opens to transfer that. Then just make sure you have a vehicle inspection station appointment lined up, and make sure that you have a motor vehicle registration appointment also lined up. By having everything lined up, you can plan the day ahead of time, and hopefully you can get this done in one day. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching the video, and thank you so much.